Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Sad and today we're continuing talking about the series of the Clubhouse application, and today I'm gonna show you how you can create an event or participate on an event already set, or how you can create your own event, and how you can set up your profile to be good for the others when they go to your event or somewhere to your room. So the first thing I'm gonna talking about is your profile. So here in this little icon approaching your image or your avatar, you can click on this little box right here and go to your profile. So here I can see how many followers I have and how many people I follow, and also I can add a biographic text or something like that, and I can also connect my Twitter or Instagram pages here. So here they show you who's sent into you this invitation link. That's what we talked about before. So here all the things that they show your profile and your content. So if I want uh, creating an event or something like a room in a clubhouse, so I need to go to this little calendar icon right here. It's calling the upcoming for you, and this area here we talked before about, it's something like the upcoming events or the upcoming rooms that they will talk on something. They will go live in some while, so you can see the interest people that they have the same events as yours. So if you want to add an event, you can go to here, this little plus box calendar, and voila, you can create your description, event name, so also with who is gonna be your host and stuff like that. You can add your co-host, so the people that already in your contacts. So if you have a lot of people that you're following and they following you, so you can invite them directly from here to be the co-hosts or guests or participants or whatever to your event. So here the events have also the ability for adding date or time where this gonna start, and as I mentioned, the event name. So you can create and bold set up your first event from here, and voila, everything is easy to go when the event is starting. So when the event starting is like here, you can see what's going on and what's going as this little notification. So you can notify people, can click on the little box like here to get notified for your event. So for the room, I think we're gonna start a video later, see you how we show you how to create a clubhouse room and how you can participate in rooms. Thank you, stay tuned, and bye bye.